Good afternoon, sir. Welcome to TRICO 2016. Could you briefly introduce yourself?
I am Dr. Ajay Mahajan. I am Professor of Cardiology from Lokmanya Tilak Medical College, Sion, Mumbai, and working as a faculty in teaching hospitals since last 20 years.
What is your impression of TRICO 2016?
It is, as far as the radial is concerned, this is the mecca of radial. Radial started for a proliferation of radial started from TRICO only, and in 2016, around 70% cases in India are now done radial. So it is the biggest success, that is a TRICO, and we can see every variety of case is done through radial. Particularly in this TRICO, they had shown one basilar artery case done through radial, and that is the ultimate thing in the world.
How do you rate it as compared to other such courses in the Western world?
This is the gold standard, so there should not be any comparison.
And how do you rate the course content of the TRICO?
Course content is perfect because they had taken care of each and every variant of the case. We had seen each and every interventions through transradial route as far as coronary is concerned, bifurcation, left main, OCT, then rotablator, chronic total occlusion, thrombus containing lesion. So everything is taken care. So according to me, in the very short span of time, only 2 days, one can revise everything through radial, and that is one of the best thing.
What do you think of the cardiology team led by Dr. Tejas Patel at Apex Heart Institute?
It is the best as far as the radial is concerned. It is the gold standard for radial in India and world. So anybody is having some problem with the radial intervention, they can ask some queries and questions to Tejas sir, and he always gives answer and give tips and tricks to get out of those complications.
How do you rate the infrastructure at Apex Heart Institute?
The Apex Heart Institute is one of the most completely accomplished cardiology institute. Preferably, it is very patient friendly. The environment is natural. Patient gets more natural light, so the recovery is very fast. So in ICCU, patient doesn't feel that patient is in ICCU, but he is always taken care by the best possible gadgets and best possible doctors with a normal natural environment. So it ultimately leads to decrease in the catecholamine levels in the patients and very fast recovery.
Thank you very much. It was a pleasure talking to you.
Thanks.